Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2006 Mazda 3 SP23 sedan, stock reference number 5532. This shape runs from the 10th month 2003 through to the 7th month 2006. It has an L3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. L3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right-hand headlight, left-hand fog light, left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror, left front door has one small dent and light hail, left hand side skirt, left rear door also one small dent and light hail, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left hand tail light, left boot lid garnish, right boot lid garnish, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right hand side skirt, right rear door has light hail, right front door has one small dent and light hail, right guard has two small dents, right power door mirror, and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, car window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with black leather interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, climate control, heater controls, 6-stack CD player, display screen, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster.